watching Republic TV. I'm Nupur Talwar Suri. Now, the big story that we're tracking this morning is fugitive diamanter Mehul Choksi has gone missing in Antigua. Now, this is for the first time that Mehul Choksi, who's of course wanted by the CBI as well as the ED in the PNB scam, has now gone missing. We are hearing Choksi's counsel advocate Vikas Agarwal has confirmed that he is missing. In fact, his lawyer has also said that Choksi's family is concerned for his safety. Agarwal also said that Choksi left his home last evening to go out for dinner at a well-known restaurant in the southern part of the island, but was never seen again. His vehicle was discovered later in the evening, but there was no sign of him. The Antigua police is looking into the matter. In fact, we are getting more breaking news on this. Sources have told Republic TV that the CBI is coordinating with the MEA for an official confirmation from the Antiguan governments. Now, they are seeking more information from the embassy. They are also coordinating with the Interpol to find out if he has entered any other country. Now, what we know so far is that his lawyer, in an exclusive statement, has said that Mehul Choksi is missing. His family members are worried and anxious, and they called him to discuss the matter with them. Now, the Antigua police, we understand, is also conducting an investigation into this. Now, there are certain reports that are coming in now that the police have, in Antigua, of course, have launched a manhunt for Mehul Choksi. It has been reported that Choksi left his home last evening to go out for dinner to a well-known restaurant, and which is located in the southern part of the island, but he was never seen again. His vehicle, of course, was discovered in Jolly Harbour. That's a part of Antigua where his vehicle was found later in the evening, but there is no sign of him. Now, just to tell our viewers that Mehul Choksi, of course, has been involved in a legal battle to stop his extradition back to India after there are fraud charges on him. Now, police, of course, are yet to issue a statement on the matter. We are expecting the Antiguan government also to come out, perhaps, and issue a statement on this. Do remember that Mehul Choksi is wanted by the CBI as well as the ED in the Punjab National Bank scam. Now, earlier, of course, we've had some media reports come in the morning where his a lawyer, that's Vijay Agarwal, has said that his citizenship by an Antiguan civil court continues, and he is still right now very much an Antiguan citizen. Do remember that, I think a couple of months ago there was some conversation around the fact that his citizenship perhaps could be revoked. That's his Antiguan citizenship. 61-year-old Mehul Choksi, of course, is an Indian-born businessman. He is wanted by the Central Bureau of Investigation as well as the Enforcement Directorate. He's been residing in Antigua and Barbuda for some time now. So, in a sense, what we know for now, just to recap the information that we have for now, is that the fugitive diamanter Mehul Choksi is missing in Antigua. Now, this has been confirmed by his lawyer, who's Vijay Agarwal. He's confirmed that he is missing. We also understand that he was, of course, seen last in his car. He was heading to a restaurant. Thereafter, he went missing. Okay, now we are also getting more news that Mehul Choksi's aide has revealed that Choksi could have fled to Cuba, and that he may be residing over there now. The aide has also said that Choksi fled out for the fear of extradition. Now, as I was earlier pointing out, there have been reports coming in that Antigua could perhaps withdraw citizenship that was given to Choksi a while ago. Do remember that agencies in India, of course, that is the CBI and the ED, have been continuously following up with the government over there. In fact, there is a case that is already there in Antigua where his citizenship has been challenged. Of course, India has been asking for him to be extradited back to India. He is, of course, India-born. He's operated over here for many, many years. And thereafter, when the PNB bank scam was discovered, he fled to Antigua. Now, we are getting reports that the government, perhaps the CBI, is also looking into reports that are coming in that he could now have fled to Cuba. Do remember that Mehul Choksi's lawyer had for the first time come out yesterday and said that he's missing. His family members, in fact, are also anxious and extremely concerned about the fact how he went missing. Now, Antigua police also, we understand, is investigating, but what we know so far, the police is being saying is that he left his residence last evening to have a meal at a popular restaurant which is located in the southern part of the island, but after that he was never seen again. Now, his vehicle was discovered at the Jolly Harbour, but there has been no more information. The police over there have launched a manhunt. Well, let's just quickly look at a police statement that we are getting right now. The Antigua police has released a statement on Mehul Choksi. Choksi, I beg your pardon, and he says that a missing person report has been filed, and Choksi was last seen at about 5:15 p.m. on the 23rd of May. And the vehicle in which he left home has now been recovered by the police. So as I was saying, so all we know so far is that he was found missing last evening. His vehicle in which he was traveling has been found by the police in the southern side of Antigua. According to his family, he left to have a meal at a popular restaurant in Antigua and thereafter went missing. Now, according to his lawyer, of course, his lawyer says that his family is extremely worried about his whereabouts. The police in Antigua have launched a manhunt, but there have been reports that seem to be coming in that seem to suggest that he could have perhaps fled to Cuba now. Do remember that there was an extradition appeal that was pending in an Antigua court that India had filed. Also, there was another plea that was pending in the Antiguan court over there, which essentially asked for his citizenship to be revoked. So far, of course, his lawyer has confirmed that his citizenship has not been revoked. We're going to keep you updated on this breaking news story as we get more details.